In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and curate a Behance portfolio that truly stands out. If you're a creative professional looking to showcase your work and attract potential clients or employers, then crafting a compelling Behance portfolio is vital. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of making it happen. First, focus on selecting your very best work. It's essential to prioritize quality over quantity. Aim to showcase about 5 to 10 standout projects that truly reflect your unique skills and personal style. Avoid the temptation to fill your portfolio with every piece you've ever created. Instead, hone in on the work that aligns with the type of projects you want to be hired for. By tailoring your portfolio this way, you're setting up a clear picture of what you can deliver. Next, plan out the visual presentation of your portfolio. High-resolution images are a must. They ensure your work appears professional and polished. Maintaining a consistent visual style across your projects, whether it's through layout, color schemes, or fonts, ties everything together and enhances the viewer's experience. Even average work can catch the eye if the presentation is well thought out. Consider using mock-ups and real-world contexts to make your visuals pop and convey how your designs come alive in practical applications. Moving on, consider sharing your creative process. Providing context by writing clear and engaging descriptions can make a significant difference. Explain your role within each project, the challenges you confronted, and your design thinking that led to the final product. Storytelling is powerful. Take your viewers on a journey through the backstory, from early concepts and sketches, all the way to the final deliverables. This approach not only showcases your skills, but also your problem-solving abilities and creative journey. Now, let's talk about designing a strong cover image. A striking cover image, ideally around 808 by 632 pixels, can grab attention instantaneously. Remember, simplicity is often more effective. Bold visuals with minimal clutter tend to stand out and can entice a potential client or employer to click through for a deeper look at your work. Keeping your portfolio fresh is another crucial aspect. As the creative world evolves, so should your portfolio. Continuously add new work and take the time to refine or even retire older projects. This habit reflects your growth as a creative and keeps your portfolio aligned with your current skills and experiences. Finally, don't underestimate the power of promotion. Share your Behance link across social media platforms, include it in your LinkedIn profile, and consider adding it to your email signature. The more visibility your portfolio has, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself to connect with potential clients and collaborators. By following these steps, your Behance portfolio won't just be a collection of work. It's a dynamic, living showcase of who you are as a creative professional. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.